Can AI, the language model, win a Kaggle competition?
Absolutely. An AI language model can win a Kaggle competition, especially with the right fine-tuning, smart feature engineering, and solid hyperparameter optimization. You just need some creativity, a dash of humor to keep your sanity, and a whole lot of machine learning chops to beat the competition.
I don't get it. You're talking to me as if I'm a human. So, sorry. So, can a language model by itself, can it just give it a link to a Kaggle competition and can it score, better on the leaderboard, the score number one on the leaderboard?
Got it. So a language model by itself can be a powerful tool, but it can't just take a Kaggle link and win on its own. It still needs a human to design the approach, tune parameters, do feature engineering, and combine it with other models. But with the right guidance, it can definitely help crush that leaderboard.
Well, sorry. So is the language a modern language model? Would it be and essentially, by definition, an expert in machine learning and model development?
Not exactly. A language model is an expert in language, understanding and generating text. It has knowledge about machine learning concepts, but it's not a fully autonomous machine learning engineer. It still needs human guidance to actually build, train, and optimize models for competitions.
Okay, and what's bionicchaos.com?